I embarked on a journey to Europe, eager to explore new horizons and break into the world of IT. But as I stepped into this new land, I realized that understanding the way of life and work here was just one of many challenges I would face. Bills had to be paid, and finding a good job seemed like an insurmountable task. Despite my extensive experience in banking, I found myself starting from scratch. My first job was as a marketer on commission. The role was demanding, and with no guaranteed income, the bills began to pile up. The aftermath of COVID-19 only made things harder, with opportunities scarce and competition fierce. Amidst this struggle, I stumbled upon a customer service role at a bank. This seemed like a beacon of hope. My background in banking, though from a different country, provided me with a unique edge. I believed that my domain knowledge could bridge the gap and help me secure the position. And so it did.